In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of your Samsung phone. This process is simple and can help personalize your device. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You can find the Settings app by swiping up on your home screen to access the app drawer. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Opening the settings is your gateway to customizing your phone's features. You'll be spending a lot of time here as you get more familiar with your device. Once you have opened the settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled About Phone. Tap on it. This section contains all the essential information about your phone, like its model number and software version. Accessing About Phone brings you to the central hub for crucial device details. Now, within the About Phone menu, look for the option that says Rename or Device Name and tap on it. This is where you can give your device a unique identity. Changing your phone's name is important because it helps you easily identify it, especially when connecting to Bluetooth or other networks. Next up, you will see a text field where you can type your new phone name. Think about a name that reflects your personality or is easy to recognize among other devices. While it seems like a small detail, this customization can make a difference in how you interact with your phone and other devices it connects to. After typing in your new phone name, tap the Done or Save button. This action confirms your change and saves the new name to your device. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your new name has been successfully updated. At this point, your phone will display its new name in various settings and connections. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the name of your Samsung phone. This little step saves you a lot of time later when you're managing devices in your network. It's a simple yet effective way to make your device feel more like yours. Remember, you can change the name as often as you like. This flexibility allows you to update it whenever you feel like a fresh start or need to manage multiple devices. With that ready, you can move forward with more customization options as you explore your phone's settings. As we wrap up, take a moment to appreciate the control you have over personalizing your device. You're not just changing a name, you're enhancing your experience by tailoring it to your lifestyle. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Thank you for joining me today. Keep exploring all the ways to make your Samsung phone truly yours. Until next time, happy customizing.